Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities Morning Podcast. In today's podcast, we would be discussing about what to expect in Nifty, Bank Nifty from here on, with key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day as well as for the next few trading sessions. The frontline indices opened flat but witnessed a sharp downward fall for the entire trading session which was witnessed. Nifty lost almost 1.34% while Bank Nifty lost 1.31%. Nifty Metal, Nifty PSU Bank Index along with the small cap index witnessed an extremely sharp cut to the tune of 3 to 4% respectively. At times the price action on the surface does not quite capture the picture as clearly, which is why we need to look at the market breadth. The internals of the broader market indices. For context, we started the week with the 52% of Nifty stocks above the 20-day EMA on Monday morning, but now the number has fallen to 22%. Market breadth for Nifty 500 faced a similar deterioration. 44.2% stocks were trading above their 20-day EMA, but now that has deteriorated to almost 14.8 at the end of the trading session. The dollar index bounced from its crucial support zone of 105.45, 105.7 for the second time in 2 weeks, remaining above the 106 levels. The silver lining is that the Brent crude oil has cooled below $89 per barrel, revealing some sort of pressure on the rupee. This can be observed in Gift Nifty futures, which recovered some 100 points from the low during the market holiday and are currently trading 50 points up compared to futures close of 19,265 on Monday. We should closely watch these macroeconomic pointers. They are extremely crucial for our market. With the result season in full swing, most influential stocks whose earnings are due today are Axis, Jubilant Food and Tech Mahindra. Coming to index levels post the fall in previous trading session, index for the day could witness resistance around 19,390, 19,410 levels, and till the time these levels are not crossed, Nifty could retest a crucial support zone of 19,220, 19,180 on the downside. This is the gap zone that the index created towards the end of June. This zone is important going ahead as the index has found demand in the area multiple times in the second half of August. Looking at the OI data for the monthly series, significant put OI has been built up at 19,300 and 19,250 strikes, while on the call front 19,350, 19,400 witnessed considerable open interest additions. Also, unwinding was witnessed in 19,400, 19,450 and 19,500 puts, indicating that bulls are losing their confidence and are fearing of a range breakdown. Overall range for the day could be 19,180 on the downside and 19,420 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty suffered a breakdown falling to its lowest levels in almost 6 months. In fact, it closed below its 200 DMA with a poor sectorial breadth. First such close since the start of the bull run back in March end. Going forward, resistance now would be witnessed around 43,590, 43,660 levels. Until the zone is not crossed, we expect 42,850, 42,900 to be retested. This zone of 42,900, 43,000 is the immediate support zone, as it sharply bounced back from this zone twice in a row back in early May. Any move below the level of 42,900 could lead to a further selling pressure up to 42,670, 42,580 on the downside. As we have mentioned several times in the last week, it is extremely important to hedge your holdings and reduce leverage positions at the current juncture. If we observe the FII data curiously, both FIIs and DIIs bought to the tune of 250 and 1,100 crores respectively in the cash market on Monday. FII long short ratio for index futures is stable bit weak at 26% as they added almost 1,000 short index future positions on Monday. On the stock futures side, FIs have bought to the tune of 79,000 contracts, while on the options front, FIs have squared off over 27,000 contracts of their existing long call options and also squared off 1,15,000 contracts of put. Just to summarize, key support levels for Nifty being 19,220, 19,180 levels, and resistance is seen at 19,400, 19,420 on the upside. While for Bank Nifty, key support would be 42,900, 43,030 levels, and resistance would be around 43,590, 43,660 levels. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Tune in tomorrow for key market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.